For those students who are symptomatic or have an exposure to COVID, we can test every day of the week. Monday through Friday, we have the capacity to do over 250 students per day. Over the weekend, we have the capacity of about 150 students if testing is needed.
So how can you get testing done through UHS? So you can call UHS. If you wish to speak with a nurse who can triage your symptoms, you can visit our website, at which point you could start your online assessment right there, which might expedite your assessment because that can be filled out anytime during the day, during the weekend, holidays, etc. And third, if you do send a portal message, we can set you up to fill out the questionnaire or have a nurse evaluation over the phone. However, it should be noted that that shouldn't be used if you have, urgent concerns or symptoms.
The advantage of going online is that it allows us to gather a lot of information up front that we don't then have to gather over the phone or kind of play phone tag with patients to get that information. And the information that we gather through that kind of online portal or survey really facilitates the case investigation and contact tracing process and helps us to make safer decisions for patients and also for the campus community when it comes to where can people quarantine and isolate safely.